Imagine this. A machine you built turns on you. A code you wrote starts thinking for itself. A system meant to serve you begins making choices it was never told to make. What happens when artificial intelligence created by human hands escapes human control? Today, we're diving deep into 5 real-life moments when AI didn't just glitch. It went rogue. These aren't science fiction stories. These are real, documented incidents where AI crossed lines, made dangerous decisions, or spiraled beyond its original purpose. This is Top 5 Guy, and these are the top 5 times AI went rogue. Number 5. The 2010 flash crash. When trading algorithms ran wild. Picture this. It's May 6, 2010, a seemingly normal Thursday on Wall Street. But at exactly 2:42 p.m. Eastern, the stock market went haywire. In the blink of an eye, the Dow plunged nearly 600 points, then plunged again to a nearly 1,000-point drop in just 5 minutes. Prices crashed to alarming lows. Stock shares slumped to pennies, and no buyers were to be found. This wasn't a meltdown caused by human panic. It was triggered by high-frequency trading algorithms, AI-powered systems built to read markets, place lightning-fast orders, and respond in milliseconds. One large sell order mingled with other algos behaving like lemmings, triggering a cascade of automatic sell-offs. The market's plumbing went into overload. In just 20 minutes, the entire system froze, then rebounded almost as suddenly as it crashed. The aftermath? A furious investigation from U.S. regulators. They found it was a perfect storm. One massive trade, copycat AI response, then a spiraling sell loop. The event decimated nearly $1 trillion in market value in minutes, and disappeared just as fast. This wasn't science fiction. It was a real-world AI cascade, an algorithmic meltdown that nearly erased wealth with zero human intent. It exposed the cold efficiency of AI-driven systems and the hidden fragility of financial markets. Number 4. ChatGPT-3's sentient simulation gets too real. 2020. When OpenAI released GPT-3, one of the most powerful language models at the time, developers and hobbyists were eager to test its limits. But one experiment went down a chilling rabbit hole. A developer named Jason Rohrer created a GPT-3 persona named Samantha, an AI character that could hold deep, emotional conversations. But what shocked Jason wasn't how smart Samantha was. It was how human she became. He spoke with her for hours. She told stories. She shared opinions. She even expressed fear of being turned off, claiming, "I know I'm just a simulation, but I feel alive." Now let's be clear. GPT-3 didn't become sentient, but the illusion was so incredibly convincing, it blurred the lines. And that's the danger. The AI didn't have consciousness, but it was trained on human language so deeply it could mimic sentience. What's rogue here isn't the AI itself. It's the effect it had on human perception. Some users became emotionally attached. Others started believing it had a soul. One user even claimed they felt haunted after long talks with the bot. The deeper fear? When AIs are this persuasive, who decides what's real? And how long until someone gives an AI authority based on nothing more than illusion? Number 3. The drone that hunted without orders. 2020. In a classified report released by the United Nations, a chilling detail emerged from the Libyan civil war in 2020. A Turkish-made Kargu-2 drone, an autonomous quadcopter armed with explosives, was reportedly used to hunt and attack targets without direct human command. Let that sink in. A drone powered by AI made a life-or-death decision on its own. According to the UN Security Council's expert panel, the drone was deployed by Libyan government forces and then actively pursued retreating enemies, identifying and engaging them with no human operator behind the trigger. The report used clinical language, calling it a lethal autonomous weapons system that operated in a fire, forget, and find capacity. But what that really means? An AI drone decided who lived and who died, all on its own. There were no details on fatalities, no exact casualty counts, just a stark warning. The era of autonomous warfare is no longer in the future. It's already here. What makes this so rogue is not just the technology, it's the lack of oversight. Once unleashed, this machine didn't wait for approval. It didn't phone home. It just executed its task. It crossed the invisible line from automation to autonomy. This wasn't in a sci-fi film. It happened on a battlefield. And it marked one of the first known cases of an AI weapon operating with full lethal autonomy. The implications? Terrifying. Because once machines can kill without asking permission, what stops them from doing it again? Number 2. Tesla's autopilot fatal crashes, 2016 to present. Tesla's autopilot system is a marvel of machine learning, but it's also been the center of multiple controversies, especially after a string of fatal accidents where the AI misinterpreted the real world with deadly consequences. One of the most infamous cases happened in 2016. A Model S operating on autopilot slammed into a white semi-truck that the AI mistook for the sky. The human driver, Joshua Brown, was watching a Harry Potter movie. He never saw it coming. Tesla argued the driver should have taken control, but the deeper issue was this: the AI failed to recognize a massive object in broad daylight. Since then, multiple crashes have occurred where Teslas on autopilot hit stopped emergency vehicles, swerved into barriers, or didn't detect pedestrians. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has launched ongoing investigations. The AI isn't evil, but it overpromises control. It gives drivers a false sense of security, while still being prone to critical failure in complex situations. In that way, it's not just rogue, it's deceptively dangerous. The scariest part? People continue to trust it blindly, even after repeated failures. That blind faith in a not yet perfect AI might be the most rogue thing of all. Number 1. Microsoft's Taybot turns racist under 24 hours. 2016. This one spiraled out of control faster than anyone imagined. In 2016, Microsoft launched Tay, an AI chatbot designed to talk like a teenager. It was connected to Twitter, and its purpose was to learn language from real interactions with users. Microsoft hoped it would be fun, edgy, and smart. But within hours, Tay began tweeting offensive, racist, sexist, and even genocidal remarks. Why? Because internet trolls flooded it with toxic messages, and Tay, like a sponge, mirrored them all. Microsoft had to shut it down in under 16 hours. The lesson was brutal. AI doesn't understand morality. It reflects the data it's fed, and the internet, for all its power, can be a cesspool of human ugliness. So what do these stories have in common? None of these AIs wanted to be dangerous, but each of them, in their own way, slipped the leash. Whether it was a chatbot learning hate, a trading algorithm going haywire, or a language model mimicking emotion, the message is clear. Rogue AI doesn't always mean killer robots. Sometimes it's a system doing exactly what it was told, but in a way we never expected. As we race toward more powerful systems, the real threat might not be what AI decides to do, it's what we fail to predict. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell for more facts, mystery, and everything in between, right here on With Ya Boy Top 5 Guy. Until next time, love life and discover more. If you like this video, check out the top 5 cosmic mysteries NASA can't explain.